So now if somebody asks you, you have this number 3624, you can see it is 3624 because you can just read it off. And now if you add 100, you can see if you have a number like 3624 and you're going to add 100. So remember which is the hundreds place. So this is the hundreds place. So you're going to add 100. You have 6 hundreds. So the 600s will go to 700s. So if you add 100, this will become 3724. And now if in 3724 you decide to maybe add something in the tens place, so remember here's the tens place. If you want to add maybe 2 tens, or let's say we add 3 tens, so here remember we added 100. Let's say I want to add 3 tens. So if I add 3 tens, the number that I'm going to get is 3700. Remember I had 2 tens and I'm going to add 3 tens to get 5 tens, and this is going to be 3754. Okay, we can similarly subtract our numbers too. So if you have a number like maybe we'll start from 3624 again, and maybe now we want to subtract 1000. So if we subtract 1000, so remember this is the thousands place and I can subtract 1000. If I subtract 1000, I'm going to be left with 2624. And then you can play the same game with the ones or the units place as well. Okay. So now let's see if we have some numbers. So we can try to think of some numbers. Let's say we want to think of numbers like maybe let's pick a number and say it is so let's write it. It is going to be 3000. So let me not write it this way. I'm going to say this is 3000s, 200s, 110, and maybe 4 ones. So now this number is, you can see this number is going to be exactly 3000, 200, 110, and 14. So this is going to be 3214. So now if we add in the ones place, let's say we want to figure out, maybe we want to add in the, let's say we want to add in the hundreds place. Let's play this game. Okay, so now I'm going to continue to add one more. So if I continue adding one more, so you can see if I continue adding one more, this will get to, in the hundreds place, this will get to 3000, and the 2 will get converted into a 3. This will be 314. And you can see every number will have the same thousands, tens, and units place, only the hundreds place will change. So I'm just going to write it out again, and the next number would be 3414. So this would be 414, and you can see it's only the 2, 3, 4 that is changing, nothing else is changing. Similarly, if I want to change, let's say I want to subtract 1 in the ones place, so I again have this number which is 3, and I'm going to, since I'm only changing the ones place, I'm going to write 3, and since I'm not going to change the hundreds place, I'm going to write the 2 everywhere, and since I'm not changing the hundreds place, I'm going to write a 1 everywhere, and I can put the yellow arrows in place. And now let's say if I subtract 1, then I have 3214. It will go down to 3213, and this will go down to 3212, and so on and so forth. You can see only the ones place is changing and not the tens, hundreds, or thousands place. Okay.